EJ! EJ! Right. Hi, ma'am. Hello. It's not that cold. Just fine. Go. No, it's not bad. Sa umpisa lang. Ano, Jay? Sa umpisa lang yan. Just,
it's not that cold.
yeah, it's not that cold. So, see,
Oh yeah, it's not that cold.
hindi, pag nandiyan ka na, okay ka na.
Like in Darlington, it was really
It's colder, right?
cold. It was so cold.
Hey, Meta, take photo. Where are you?
Wait, let me see my hair. I can't see the sun. Okay, there.
Hey, Jay.
Something to sell.
Good. Go swimming na. Okay, go. Dive in. Let's dive in.
It's not tight enough.
Let me see. Yeah, look. Go. Paano pala ka? Masarag pala ka. What's that? Bakit doon hindi mayroong mababaw?
It's a sand.
Sandbar?
Sandbar.
Wow. Good, ba't di mo alisin yung damit mo?
It's the other way. The mouthpiece.
Tama.
It's there in my pants.
Alisin mo na yung short mo.
No,
Yeah.
not in my swimming pants.
Just wear underwear. You have underwear?
Underwear.
The boxer short, you have it, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I have it on.
Kaya nga.
For my hair.
Nice. Hey, Meta, take photo. Daki. Come on. Where are you? Come. Say cheese. Medyo hindi siya clear. Dito. Maro. Dito. Yan. Pero hindi pwede. Wala namang yata, Wala si Minaw.
Hindi pa busy.
Ah.
Hindi pa busy. Dito siguro sa ilat.
Wala eh. Ayo. Marami isda dyan. Dito.
Malinis ang
Hindi sa umpisa lang akala mo. Pero halika. Hindi yan. Sa umpisa lang yan. Wala na. Okay na. Hindi nga. Pag sa umpisa. Akala mo sa umpisa lang yan pero pag nakababad ka na. Wala na. Saan? Okay. Video na. Sa ilalim ng ano ah. Sa ilalim ng puno. Saan yung dalawa?
Someone make this Lamar Jackson edit. How much money does it get you a check for $1 million? I'm going back to Baltimore. Oh, can you make it Lamar Jackson edit?
Why?
Watch. Grab the camera for a Lamar Jackson edit.
Nga ma'am. Hoy. Chillaxing. Chillaxing ang stone. Hey Meta, stop video. Close up. Hindi lahat dapat yung tubig, ano? Saan mo kunin?
Find another spot.
Doon lang naman sa ano? Sa Bira? Bira.
You have to do one more swim
Why?
to the sandbar on that.
Ha? Again. Meron bang isda? Walang isda. Walang isda, no? Wala rito. Malapit eh. Malapit. Wala siyang weeds.
Laki ng...